You ever wake up in the morning and go, ugh, I have to fill in the blank. I have to go to work. I have to do that thing. I have to get out of bed. Well, I'm going to share with you something that's going to change your life. And it's actually really simple. When you look at something that you have to do, simply change the word and change your mindset from have to get. I have to get out of bed today. Well, what if you woke up and said, I get to get out of bed today? I get to go out into the world and experience life again today. What if instead of I have to go to work today, you said, I get to go to work today. I get to have a job that feeds me and my family and put clothes on our back and give us a warm place to live. When you get to do something instead of have to, it completely changes your perspective of the situation. You feel better, you're able to accomplish more, and you're able to find the fun in everything that you're doing. So I challenge you today to go through every single task that you have on your list and be present with it and change it from I have to do these things to I get to. And then as you're doing them, stay in that mindset. I get to be with my team today. I get to connect with others. I get to share my value, right? I get to be in my car. I get to walk the dog in the beautiful day. We can look at things two different ways. It's all perspective, my friends. It's all perspective. And we have the choice to look at it in a get to way or have to. So I challenge you to try it today and every day and to share this with those around you that you love and let me know how it changes your day and how it feels to you.